While it might be too late to get your summer body ready, it's not too late to get your landscape ready for summer. So these are my top tips to get your garden or landscape healthy going into the hottest time of the year. First of all, this is a great time to check out your irrigation system and make sure that everything is working correctly as it's supposed to be. First of all, make sure that all of your different stations are actually functioning, but also go through and check that none of your sprinkler heads have shifted the wrong direction, gotten clogged, or are broken where they would be excessively leaking water. And you may be able to do that yourself, or you may want to hire your irrigation professional to go out and check everything out for you. Now, if you don't have a sprinkler system, this could be a good time for you to look into either getting a professionally installed irrigation system, or there are some DIY kits that can help you out with setting up irrigation for either raised beds or containers. That way, if you go on a trip, you're still able to keep those plants watered properly. Because, well, water is going to be the most important thing that needs to happen through a long, hot summer to keep your plants looking healthy. Now, another great way to conserve water in your containers, raised beds, and landscape beds is to add mulch. Wood mulch is going to go on top of the soil. You can do a 2 to 3 inch layer, but what that will do is it will slow down tremendously the evaporation rate from the soil. So instead of having to water your plants every day with a good layer of mulch, you might be able to back off to every second, third, or fourth day, or even longer if you have a soil that is good at water retention. It's also time to switch over to your heat-loving annuals. If you have done container arrangements or flower bed annuals that were your early spring plants, or if you still have some winter plants in there, you go visit your local garden center and find those heat-loving plants that are going to thrive all summer long. And we have produced quite a few videos of heat-tolerant plants if you want to check those out. But most of all, as we move into the hottest time of the year, don't forget to water your plants.